Welcome to my watercolor painting channel. Today we are going to paint this simple landscape. Here is the sketch for this landscape. Pause the video to draw the sketch and then move on to painting session. First we are going to paint the sky part. So I'm wetting the half portion of the paper. I leave some space for the sun. I don't wet that area. I left it untouched. I'm using Prussian blue mixed with violet to paint the sky. You can use any color that you want. If you have ultramarine, then go with that. I don't have ultramarine, so I use my own mix of colors. Here I am leaving some white area for the sun. We will come over there and make it perfect round. While painting the sky, I'm leaving white space in between for the clouds. That is, I'm using negative painting technique. If you notice, you can see that the color of the sky ranges from dark to light, from top to bottom respectively. Next, I'm going to paint the distant mountains. For that, I tilted the board slightly to 60 degree. We used wet on wet technique for painting the sky. So after using wet on wet technique, we should always wipe the edges of the paper so that the water doesn't create any backgrounds. Next we are going to paint the farm field. The color of the farm field should be more yellowish at the distance. And when it comes nearer to the viewer, it should be in more greenish color. I'm leaving some white space in the farm field. Those are going to be the flags for the farm field. In India, I have seen in paddy field, they will be using some white flags tied on a stick. So I'm just adding those flags in my painting. I'm adding distant shrubs and plants using more dark green. Next, we are going to add the pathways in the farm field. The pathways that are nearer to the viewer will be broader in size, that is, they will be in thicker, and the pathways that are very distant from the viewer will be very thin. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting videos. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.